Hi everybody, thanks for joining us for this academic writing module. Today we are gonna focus on the IELTS task 2 essay. Yeah, an example of a very good answer actually. We are gonna look at an example question together, right? And I'm gonna share with you some great strategies to use in your IELTS exam. Okay, let's get started. Our question here is obesity is a serious problem in many countries, especially in rich countries. What causes obesity and how can it be solved? What are the causes for this actually phenomenon, for this issue? And what are the remedies and solutions regarding to actually solving the obesity phenomenon? Okay, so in this type of question, actually, you have to know the type of your question, and therefore you are gonna answer to it. This is actually an ideas type task. Okay, and there is difference between ideas type task and opinion type task, which I explained in our previous videos. Ideas type task or problem and solutions. What are the causes of this problem, and what are the solutions regarding this problem? Okay, you have to introduce a topic. Yeah. In main body of para 1, you are gonna describe 2 or 3 problems. In the next paragraph, you are gonna give 2 or 3 solutions, and at the end you have to summarize your ideas. Okay, now we are gonna analyze actually an example of a very good answer. Okay, let's get started. With the advent of urbanization, great vocab, and the rise in popularity of fast food, there have been accompanying issues with rising obesity rates, especially in developed countries such as the UK and the USA. With the actually advent rise of urbanization, great vocab, and the rise in popularity of what? Fast food, convenient food, right? There have been accompanying issues, challenges with rising obesity rates, especially in developed countries. There is no need for this because we have, many countries, many developed countries. Okay, it is clear that it is obvious that obesity rates are higher in developed countries because of what? Because their citizens all are wealthier. However, there are a number of ways in which the obesity epidemic can be ameliorated, can be improved its negative effect, right? And be less challenging, right? Right, now let again usage of academic advanced level vocabs, right? When actually your introduction, your topic sentence, and then your statement sentence. Okay, this is our main body part 1. We are gonna actually the candidate here provided us 2 or 3 what problem regarding the phenomenon of what? Obesity. Okay, to begin with, great phrase. Okay, To begin with, it should be unsurprising that fast food, okay, try to avoid from the repetition of the same vocabularies. It should be unsurprising that convenience food is incredibly popular in wealthy countries. And due to the high level of development in these countries, consumers possess more money and can therefore consume vast amount of fast food without seriously diminishing their income. I'm not actually agree with this, with this reason. If I was writing that essay, I will try to, provide better answer. So I'm not okay with this. They have more money, therefore they waste more money, and this is not the reason, the logical reason that I want. For example, the American Diet Association found that compared to the average Indian household, the average American household has a 6 times larger budget fund for food per month. Yeah, it can be. This is an example of, providing evidence which is too detailed. Maybe most of us don't know the American Dietary Association. Yeah, that's okay. Consequently, great academic phrases, linking devices regarding providing us what? Cohesion and cohesion, right? It is to be said, to be expected that, which this will tell us that we are gonna, we are gonna have the result, okay? Obesity ratio are much higher in countries with large amounts of wealth, okay? Here we have also, exceptions such as Japan, but in general, I accept this. Consequently, it is to be expected that obesity ratio are much higher in countries with large amounts of wealth. Okay, that's okay. The next paragraph. However, wow, we now know that we are in the, on the other paragraph, which gonna represent us the, the negative, the other side of the discussion, the essay, okay? However, despite the severity of obesity problem, there are a number of ways in which developed countries could battle more effectively. On the other hand, despite the severity of obesity, try to use advanced level vocabs. The severity of obesity challenge, there are a number of approaches in which developed countries could battle in more effectively. Please take a look to our previous videos regarding problem and solution vocabs, okay, which I will explain it in our previous videos. For example, instead of wait a minute, instead of say that to battle, you can say to counteract these challenge. Another remedy to maximize the opportunity, okay? And yeah, dear candidates, please remember that you have to know advanced level vocabularies for providing and for given high mark, okay? Please, in this regard, you have to be familiar with the topic of health. and health issues. Yeah, vocabulary such as sedentary lifestyle, strain, poor diet, convenience food, addiction, interpersonal skills, right? How to detoxify, participation, competitive remedies, and health warnings, and etc. Okay, you can learn it and use it in your exam. Firstly, developed governments could put far more pressure on fast food outlets and fast food corporates to provide healthy alternatives to hamburgers, French fries, soft drinks. Yeah, okay. Secondly, great way to provide the sequence of the events, sequence of your ideas. Secondly, public exercise initiatives, organizations, groups could be advertised, regarding to increase the public awareness and prompt far more rigorously. And firstly, secondly, lastly, modules that inform teenagers about healthy diets, healthy dietary requirements could be taught at the schools. Yeah, that's a need regarding public awareness, right? The next paragraph, and remember that you should hear actually summarize your essay. To recapitulate, all in all, in conclusion, although obesity is a serious issue, great, in developed world, if we can make fast food companies accountable for damage to health and the other one promote exercise, the situation will surely improve in the coming years. Usage of conditional, that's okay, great. What I want to add, this is an example of a very good answer with the required word amount. Yeah. And as I said here, it is necessary, it is an essential to be familiar with the topic of healthcare, health, and sport. And not actually in the writing else exam, but also in your speaking exam. This gonna help you a lot, okay? And also you can take a look to our previous videos regarding the usage of conditionals. Okay? Why this actually simple strategy and structure, you are gonna improve your band score, okay? And you are gonna talk about when you are gonna talk about a hypothetical issue, hypothetical situation, okay? And yeah, it is highly important to know solution vocabs as well as problem vocabs. Yeah, I explained this. Okay, thank you so much, and I hope you enjoyed this lesson, this module. If you have any question, you can write it in the comment section. And thank you so much, and see you soon in another IELTS with me tutorial. Take care. Bye.